Friends, welcome to another edition of KPS Global Trades. Today's big question is this: what is next, Nifty and Bank Nifty? And this is the topic on which we are making this video for. Before we go on, please note this video is just for education purpose and it's not any buy or sell recommendation. Before trading, please discuss with your financial analyst. Right? If you're first time on our channel or have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon, right? So that you do not miss any future video. If you like our work, if you like our analysis, if you like the learnings, what we taught over here or what we discuss on this chart, please like the charts, please like the videos, do comment on the videos, share this video with your family and friends so that more and more people can see this and learn, right? So what is next for Nifty and Bank Nifty? This week is very crucial. We have an event also. We have a budget. So last 2 weeks we are regularly giving stocks also and Nifty Bank Nifty analysis also. But today in this video we are only going to talk about Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. We are not going to give any new stock charts, although there are some good breakout charts. But due to event, we'll be avoiding new charts. If somebody wanna trade or see some stocks, we have open positions, or you can see our two videos which we have shared in last 2 weeks in this channel where there are almost 10 stock recommendations. I can share it with you. So those stock recommendations you can see there are open positions. So we have 13 open positions as of now. 10 out of that has been shared in last two videos, right? So you can go through those videos and see those stocks, see those charts for a learning purpose. So that will help you to learn, like see this multi-year breakout stocks and top stock ideas for 20 to 40% move. So these are the two videos, of one issued on 14 January and one on 22nd January, where we have given these charts for these stocks, and they have all performed from, barring one which has given a 5% move, all are performed from 10 9% till almost 20 52%. So these were the trades. So let's move on to today analysis. Let's start with Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty has fallen due to HDFC Bank, and we can see now it has made a tweezer bottom somewhere here. Okay, the support is still around 43,831 levels. That's still the previous support which we discussed in previous video. That support is still working, that is still intact. So till them time 43,831, so say around 43,800 is intact. We are okay on Bank Nifty. But now previous support will become a resistance. So 46,369 to 47,000 will be strong resistance. So somewhere here is where we are looking for Bank Nifty to stop again. So this will be the resistance levels. Till the time it does not go above that, we do not see any bullish momentum on the Bank Nifty. If you see on a RSI point of view, Bank Nifty trading is in the negative range. So it's not positive. But there is a news that RBI has given a permission to LIC to buy stake, 9.9% stake in HDFC Bank. So we can expect maybe a gap up opening. HDFC ADR was also up around 3.5-4% on Friday session. So we can expect that. So due to that, this can open gap up, but will it sustain or cross this resistance? That's the question. Till that time it does not close above 47,000, there are chances of Bank Nifty to be weakened further. And support is 43,830. So it can be in this range consolidating, and if this range is broken, then we'll see what are the levels coming further for us. Okay, so this is what we are talking about Bank Nifty. Now the Nifty chart is very interesting. Let's go to that. Although if you can see Bank Nifty has filled all the gaps which it made while going there. See this gap was filled, this gap is filled. On a contrary, Nifty has not filled the gaps. Nifty has filled this gap, but this gap 2291 to 2500 is still there. So will it gonna fill this gap? Time will tell. But as of now, again, the same reason due to HDFC Bank move, Nifty can also open gap up. So Nifty resistance is 21,750 to 21,850. This 100 point will act as resistance. Anything bullish or positive on a Nifty once it close above 21,850. So till the time it does not close above 21,850, Nifty is gonna be into this range where the support down is 20,900, 2950, and resistance is 21,750, 21,834. If it break this resistance 21,800, then we are looking forward for new lifetime high. Might still target till the time it does not close below this. My still target of 22,300 to 22,450 is intact. But because there is a event, we are not sure how it poised, whether it breaks and touch 2,500. There can be probability, or it continues. Sooner or later, Nifty will gonna come and fill this gap. Keep that in mind. RSI is losing strength. It's losing momentum. It's not continuing the way it was before. So you can see this, the trend when it started in November and it continued. So RSI is cooling down. That's another point. But we have good supports below. I don't see Nifty as of now, unless there is a event before elections, to break 20,200. So that will be a good place. So 2,200 to 2,500 will be good place to buy some good stocks at those levels if we get an opportunity. As of now, 20,900 is what we should look for, because you can see this big bearish candle followed by bullish, and then it's gonna be into this range 22,900 plus 21,750. Okay, the stocks which we are talking about, right? The stocks which we have given, if you can see this, our top performing is IRDA, which has given 52% return this month, right? Followed by PFS PTC India Financial Services, which has moved 24%, and then there are other stocks which is there. Keep it in mind that results comes, the movement becomes little wild. Otherwise, these all stocks are fundamental good companies which has given a good breakouts, and we are looking forward to add positions or continue holding these positions. You can join our Telegram channel as well. This is our Telegram channel. Okay, the link is below in this video. So in this channel, you can see this. We have given a hero zero trade that day, which has become a jackpot, right? From 544 700, from 5 to 163. We share daily Nifty charts for intraday on a daily basis, Nifty BankNifty charts in our Telegram channel. So it can help you to understand that how you can see and which levels to see during intraday moves. So that can be really helpful. So please do join our channel for our latest update, and during the day updates which we keep giving on our charts, on our stock charts which we shared, Nifty and index options as well. Thank you very much. That's all for in today's video, right? I hope this view will help you for next week due to event, and we look forward for coming editions of Nifty Bank Nifty analysis, right? That what is there for us. So till then, the question remains intact. What is next in Nifty and Bank Nifty? Keep watching this channel for the levels. So please do subscribe and click the bell icon for our channel so that you do not miss any analysis video in coming weeks. Thank you very much.